Hi, people of the internet. Today I hope to explain basic math concepts using the interactive Ruby shell. I'm going to cover addition, subtraction, exponents, division, multiplication, modulus, pi equation, hypotenuse, and square roots. Open interactive Ruby shell, type IRV. I'm going to start with addition. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Negative 9 plus 8 equals negative 1. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Subtraction is next. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Negative 10 minus 18 equals negative 28. Exponents are next. 2 to the power of 2 equals 4. 3 to the power of 3 equals 27. 5 to the power of 2 equals 25. We're moving to division. Division is next. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 9 divided by 3 should equal 3. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. Multiplication is next. 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. 78 times 5 equals 390. Modulus is next. Modulus is written with a percentage sign. So 3 modulus 2 equals 1. 55 modulus 77 equals 55. 8 modulus 4 is 0. Next is pi. Math pi equals 3.14. Type math hypotenuse space 2, 4, 4.4, and lastly square root. Math period SQRT for square root space 16, which is 4. You're probably asking yourself, how much math do I need to learn before using Ruby on Rails? I would recommend Calculus 2, but if your college algebra is very good, I think you should be okay. Thank you for watching.